did not. I didn't do it, officer.
You obviously threw something at the girl.
I didn't do it, officer.
Listen.
Help me. Help me.
Listen, to help you.
Can you tell Joe Mika don't press no charge? I didn't do nothing. That's
You're not helping your case right now.
I'm not.
If I can't talk to you, then we're not going to be able to help.
Okay.
I'm not going to get your side of the story.
I'm so sorry. I'm just nervous. I ain't never.
What's going on?
I don't know what's going on. Ask them folks right there.
Okay.
I came in, I was walking from outside, getting my homegirl, because she was in the altercation.
Okay.
I turned around and closed the door. This what the fuck happened to me.
Okay. You sure you don't want medical to come? You're gonna need
I'm going. I take care of my daddy.
Okay.
So I gotta make sure my daddy's taken care of first before I go anywhere.
Who threw
The
that?
hoe stay around that corner.
Okay. Where is she in the house right
I
now?
don't. She ran up on me by her baby daddy and dropped her 2 kids off. Me and her went to fighting.
Okay.
She did all this, picked up bricks, throwing them at us or whatever, and hit my homegirl in the eye or something. I was putting her in the
So
house.
she's trying to throw them at you.
Yeah, trying to throw. She hit my homegirl in the eye. It don't matter. She doing too much in the bitch house.
Do you have your ID on you?
It's in the house.
Okay, you can grab it. Is she? You think she's still down there?
Hell yeah, she down there with her baby daddy. But when that hoe come back down here, she gonna get her ass man. What's her name? I don't know. I don't know over there.
What is she wearing? Hey, what is she wearing?
She got on like blue and red pajama shorts and a half tank top.
What color tank top?
I don't know what color tank top. I don't know.
Where's this girl that they're talking about that threw the brick?
Oh, I don't know.
Red pajama pants. You didn't see her walking down here?
No.
Okay. With her kids?
No. Yeah, but I'm here. Yeah.
Where's this girl stay at?
That's her right there.
This not me, so I did not mean to throw the thing at her.
That's her right
Moselle,
there.
can you hurry up and get here?
Change that.
I thought that I was finna fight her. So they was down there smoking M's or whatever, and then the girl got mad at me.
So right now you're being detained. Okay?
Why? Jamaica, don't do this, bro. I
my
didn't.
shit.
I don't know.
Look at my shit, bro. And you know it have nothing to do with that.
Just listen.
You're just being detained for right now, okay?
You know her thing right now, St. Me. You know I take care of my daddy, bro.
Listen.
The landlord is.
Can you listen to me?
Look,
Take your
I'm
phone. Take your phone.
Bro, Jamaica.
I don't got nothing to do with that.
Are you taking charges on me?
Like I said,
Can I talk? Can I talk?
Talk.
Without both you guys talking for a second? Okay. In order for this to get squashed, okay, you have to write a statement.
I didn't
Listen,
do that.
listen. Don't cut me off. You would.
Did I do that, Jamaica?
Stop. You would have to write a statement.
Look where the brick at in the window,
Would you
though.
shut up for a second?
That ain't my room.
Please,
didn't
please,
do that.
just let me speak. Okay.
We got
Stop.
Had a knife. I
Okay,
didn't
you got
do
it, right? You got her.
Yeah, I got it.
So you would have to write a statement, and then no.
over here.
I
Come here.
didn't
Come
do
here.
that.
Okay. So you would have to write a statement and stating that you don't want to press charges. Okay, but if you do want to press charges, we would take her for throwing the brick at your face.
Okay, what about my eye if I don't? That's the thing.
No, and that's going to be up to you.
That's the thing.
Yeah. So whether you press charges or not, you still got to get your eye looked at. You get what I'm saying? So you still, I would recommend still going to the doctor if
That's the thing. I don't have shit to do with this,
I know.
and I take care of my daddy. So now when I leave here, I got to leave my daddy unattended. My daddy is blind with one leg.
No, it's your call, man.
Yeah, I'm writing a statement.
Okay.
Sir,
Just sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
I'm nervous, sir.
Okay. What?
I don't feel like I'll be able to get back up. Can I stand, please?
Well, we can put you in the car. You want to
No.
go sit?
Back up.
Am I going to jail?
You can either sit on the curb or you can sit on the car. I'm gonna let you decide.
Am I going to jail, sir?
Oh, as of right now, possibly.
Sir, I didn't, man.
So
Look
she
at the
wants.
video.
She wants to sit up. Sit down.
Sir, please, I can't.
She wants to write a statement. No,
Okay.
so
Can you
yeah,
set that up for me?
yeah. I get
Am I
it.
going to jail,
This is hers,
officer?
right?
Yeah, this is hers.
Officer, am I going to jail?
He's gonna talk with you. Just relax.
Okay. You're detained right now, so
Yes,
I have to
sir.
read this to you, okay?
Okay.
So after each line, just say if you understand. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Please don't let them, officer.
Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes, officer.
Hold on. If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand?
Yes, officer.
Has anybody threatened you to talk to me today?
No, officer.
Okay, tell me what happened.
Could you please let me stand up?
No, just stay
Please,
sitting down
officer.
for now.
Damn, officer, please let me stand up.
Stay sitting down and tell me what happened.
So I was down here talking to my people, and the girl who is yelling, she just got up and was like, she don't want nothing to do with my boyfriend and some shit like that. So I was like, we good. The bitch pulled out a knife.
Okay.
The people, they standing right there. Please, officer, go get those witnesses right now. She had a knife on me, officer.
Okay.
I didn't even hit that girl. That girl who got the mark on her face, I didn't hit her.
Who had a knife on?
The girl that I got into a fight with.
Okay.
The one with the cut, I didn't get into a fight with her.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know how.
And
It
then
was so many people out
How
here.
did she get that injured?
I don't, officer, I did not do it. I fought the other girl. I did not fight her. I promise to you.
You never threw a brick?
No, I did not throw
Listen,
a brick.
Stay sitting down.
Okay.
When we first walked up, you
Yeah.
said I did not mean to hit her.
I did not mean to.
Okay.
I
So
didn't
you
throw a
did
brick.
throw something.
I threw a black thing, yes. I did
Okay.
not throw a brick.
Okay. What was it?
Something sitting up there on the thing. I don't know.
Okay.
I just threw it. I was protecting myself, officer.
Okay.
I can't be arrested.
Listen, I'm going to talk to the other people, and we will figure that out. Okay.
I'm going to jail, sir.
I have to talk to the witnesses, right? I'm going to do a thorough investigation.
Could you please
I didn't walk up
open my
here.
phone, please, and call
Okay,
somebody
hold
for
on.
me, please?
Hold on. We're not doing that right now. I'll
Please.
talk to the people that are here, okay? And I'll do a thorough
Could you
investigation.
let me up, officer, please?
We're going to decide, okay?
Please. Please work with me, bro.
I am working with
Please
you.
work with me. This is a serious charge. Please work with me. I can't go to jail. Please, could you let me up, officer?
You got to stay sitting for now.
Sir, I'm nervous. Please, officer.
Just stay calm.
I should have. Come here!
Hey, no, don't call anybody over
She
here.
my witness.
Okay, I'll talk to her in a minute.
Central Aniola, 38 Wyoming.
Officer, can you let me up?
All right.
I'm going to jail, ain't
Stand
I?
up. We're going to sit in the car.
Wow, I won't do that no more. Please.
Okay, no.
Officer,
Just sit in the car for now. I'm going to talk to you in the car. Because
could
you're
you
calling
put me
people
back? I
over here.
didn't call nobody.
Okay.
Could you please put me back? Please, please don't do me like this, officer.
Listen, do you have anything on you? Any weapons or
Please,
anything?
could you please let me sit on the curb, officer?
Take a
Please.
seat. Scoot back.
You finna shut the door?
Just to put this away, and then I'm going to come back and talk.
Officer, please.
Hold on.
Let me stand on the porch until the flow get dry. So now when I'm standing up, getting ready to walk out the room to let the flow dry after I finish basing my daddy, I hear this going on. So while this being my homegirl, man, come on, let's go. So I turn around and close the door. Bitch, I don't know what the fuck. I just seen blur. Man, you gone crazy.
So here we go. So just get your ID for me when you can, or if somebody.
You got it.
Okay. Just write. Are you able to write? You left-handed, right-handed?
I'm left-handed.
Okay, perfect. So write your full name here. Okay. Okay. So she, full name here, and then write what happened. That you came here for whatever reason. People were arguing.
Oh, I live here. I
Yeah.
take care of my dad.
Okay.
Brick walking outside.
Is there a brick inside, or is there something inside? Is there a rock or something inside? From
We threw. I
You
threw
grabbed
that
it
out
for-
the door.
Call a straight rock.
She just walking out the door, man. Just
Throwing stuff at y'all out here.
I'm in the house.
Let me see, Tamika, you okay? Let me see,
I'm
boo.
glad
You need stitches, sugar. You got to go to the hospital.
Yeah, but I was in there basing my daddy.
Yeah.
Trying to see what
I didn't do it, officer.
You obviously threw something at the girl.
I didn't do it, officer.
Listen,
Help me, help me.
listen, to help you,
Can you
keep
tell
going.
Joe Mika don't press
Hey,
no charge? I didn't do
take a
nothing. That's
you're
he-
not helping your case right
I'm
now.
not?
If I can't talk
Okay.
to you, then we're not going to be able to help.
Okay.
I'm not going to get your side of the story.
I'm so sorry. I'm just
Okay.
nervous. I
You're
ain't
fine.
never been like this, you know?
Foxtrot 37, switch and teletype.
Zone 2. Teletype downtown.
Your subject, Anthony Montgomery, is 54. He is not apparent
Okay,
orally
so you got in a mutual fight with that girl. That's fine. Okay. What happened during the fight?
So during the fight, she had a big ass knife, like, officer, It's a girl right there with some shorts on, and she is colorful shorts. She got the whole video.
Okay.
I would appreciate. I'll just sit here back.
She pulled out a knife and did what?
She pulled. Ain't even gonna count. She pulled out a knife and she said everybody was getting cut.
Okay. And this
So
was,
that kind of scared me.
This
and I
was
started,
after the fight?
After the fight.
Okay.
She ran in the house and got a knife. And that's the only reason why I started
where did the
throwing
fight take
stuff.
place?
Right there in that front yard.
In the front yard.
Yeah.
So did you grab something from the front yard and
Yes,
throw
I
it?
did. Yes, it was. It was a black object that was.
And you were meaning to hit the girl with the knife.
I don't know if it was her or if it was me who did that.
Okay.
I didn't hit nobody because I wasn't fighting her.
I understand. So I'm saying you were meaning to throw it at the girl with the knife.
She threw bricks at me, officer. I didn't. Listen. The thing that I did went through the window, officer. Okay. It went through the window. Go look at it. It's on the floor in the house in the window. I didn't hit her. I hit through the window, officer. Is everything okay?
You got the other ones ID, right?
Yeah.
She want to press charges on me?
Yes.
She do? She do? Can I talk to her, please? Huh?
Stacy.
Please, Jamaica!
Hey, okay.
Jamaica, please, bro! I give her money, bro! Please, bro! Please, help me, bro! Help me, bro!
We're trying to help you. Get in the car.
Officer!
Get in the car.
Officer, please! Please don't take me to the ground. Why? Why? Officer, please don't let her. Okay, I'll get in the car. Please, look. Officer,
Listen to me for a second. Stop.
Where his hole is, he's not home.
Get the keys out the door.
Even though I got keys, I can't.
Okay.
Where's the phone?
Who's the owner of this place? Owner of the place? Are you trying to press charges for damage to the window?
No, sir.
No?
I'll just fix it.
Okay. Where's this gas tank at that's supposed to be inside? In the house? Go ahead. What? You guys didn't witness this fight out here?
We just came outside, just heard the noise.
Did you hear anything about her having a knife at any point?
No.
So that fight you guys had,
Yes, sir.
was a knife ever involved in any of this?
No, it wasn't never no knife. She ran up on me by her baby daddy. Her kids was out here.
Okay.
She pushed me and I mushed her, and then that was it. My homegirl came out here and said, "Come in the house." She kicked in my homegirl door, threw that plastic thing, hit my homegirl in the eye, and then bust the window. Her baby daddy came up
So
to my
is that
hip.
a separate thing she threw to bust the window?
She threw a rock, and then she threw there go the plastic thing in the middle of the road right there.
Okay. What did she hit your friend with?
That right there in the middle of the road.
In the middle of the road.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
There another fight going on?
Hey, I think your homie need help.
What?
He wrestled with your brother.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go, Bill. She pressed charges on me. They hit me first, Bill. Man, I don't want to go, bro. Call this number. 407. Hurry up. 407. 407. 57. Moselle, call him. That's the buzzman.
I already called him.
Call him. No, call this number too. 407-579. I don't want to go, bro.
Oh, now you definitely go. That was stupid.
The dumbest thing I ever heard.
Get in the car.
Get your foot in the car.
Hold on, let me put my whole body. Oh, I'm out of breath. Thank you. I'm sorry.
You good? Yeah. Did she slip? Did she slip out of the